Quest Engineering has been at the forefront of professional audio over the past 2 decades, consistently innovating with its broad range of practical solutions designed for real-world applications. The vision of Quest was one of a company that could utilize its expertise in professional audio and deliver products that its users would be able to stand behind with confidence. With this core belief at the heart of Quest, the team has gone from strength to strength. And our humble beginnings now see us with an international brand distributed around the world. Our headquarters in Melbourne, Australia, are equipped with a complete design facility encompassing full test and measure equipment, an anechoic chamber, and assembly facilities, empowering our engineers to design and build loudspeaker systems, as well as commercial solutions with the highest accuracy. We pride ourselves on diversity, and in order to meet the varied needs of today's fast-paced market, 2 key divisions form the heart of Quest: our professional department and our commercial arm. Our professional department is focused on developing innovative loudspeakers and power amplifiers with exceptional sound, as well as a robust design. By utilizing the latest advancements in technology, coupled with the unrivaled expertise of a dedicated and experienced acoustics team, our loudspeakers are constantly finding their way into more venues, production companies, and professional users due to their unmistakable Quest reliability. Our commercial team is made up of professional consultants and system designers who have had years of experience in meeting the demands of government projects, venues, retail environments, churches, corporate installations, and large housing developments. Our commercial products have been developed to meet countless requirements in various ventures, all backed by Quest's promise of dependability.
I actually understand how a speaker is put together and what makes a speaker work and what makes one speaker better than another. It involves amplifier, it involves electrical, it involves the mechanical part of the cone, the structure of the cone, the integrity of the cone, how rigid it is. The Quest driver is an evolution. This is a driver that's been refined over the last 15 years. So this driver has enjoyed a very successful progression of minor improvements. We looked at failure mechanisms in loudspeakers, stress points in the actual cone, what we had to do, where we had to thicken up the cone, and how we had to change minor changes in the cone profile to reduce stress. The cone, we use what we call our optimized fiber properties, where we actually achieve the highest stiffness paper. Paper pulp stiffness changes quite a bit. In other words, we take different trees and we're comparing broadleaf hardwood trees to fine needle type, coniferous type wood. The stiffness of those when converted into paper is quite different. We did a collaborative research with the CSIRO in Australia to look at possibility of using Australian wood in our cone manufacture. The research people looked at the stiffness of fibres and came up with a specific species of hardwood pulp. And they said, if you use this particular species and you process it in this way, we achieve the stiffest paper. The paper cone has advantages in that it has good damping, so it gets good sonic integrity, the minimum amount of distortion and coloration compared to other materials. The voice score, we use the best quality wire that we can buy, the highest temperature wire. This particular driver is actually wound on an aluminium bobbin to dissipate heat. When you actually put a lot of power in, the parameters change. So what we're doing here is we're trying to achieve the lowest temperature rise possible in the voice core, because that upsets the loudspeaker parameters and the tuning on the cabinet. So we have a driver that is doesn't change parameters with high power, and I think that's critical in this kind of application. So we have a very reliable driver, and this driver is something that we're proud to have out there.
With a proven track record manufacturing and developing products for world markets, we bring a wealth of expertise to any concept that might be envisioned. From the very initial phases of design to market analysis, development, manufacturing, marketing and support, Quest executes every aspect of the project development lifecycle, from concept to completion. Quest Engineering is the only pro audio manufacturer in Australia with both a purpose-built anechoic chamber as well as a world-class clipper machine used for precision testing and reporting of field small parameters. Our acoustics and electronics engineers are busy year-round developing new products that push the boundaries between innovation, value, reliability and quality. High-grade precision manufacturing, coupled with the highest standards of quality control, ensure that every Quest product is built tough to withstand demanding use. With meticulous detail, Quest transitions from production prototypes to manufacturing, maintaining stringent specifications and standards. This means that every specification we report is a specification you can rely on. A fully qualified in-house team empowers Quest to develop any concept that can be conceived. By employing the power of SolidWorks, the industry standard software for engineering and manufacture, designing traditionally complicated products becomes a practical reality. One of Quest's most recent projects was the completion of a custom turnkey audio solution for National Australia Bank in conjunction with Melbourne-based AV specialists, Soundcorp.
National Australia Bank approached Soundcorp to find a solution for their background music systems to be installed as part of their major renovation to over 300 retail stores Australia-wide. NAB required a simple yet robust solution for each store, and certain requirements, specifications, quality standards and tight timelines had to be met. Instead of sourcing various parts from different manufacturers, Quest Engineering was able to develop a custom turnkey OEM solution, complete with NAB branding and technical support plans. The entire project was executed seamlessly from its conception to completion within 9 weeks from order. NAB were extremely happy with the total experience, something which they said would have taken months, if not years, to achieve otherwise. Working with the Quest team was an impressive experience. They understood our clients' requirements quickly and supplied us with a working prototype inside a very short time frame. We had direct and open lines of communication with the engineers, product developers and marketing departments through the entire process. The result was an excellent product that fell well within budget, was delivered on time and exceeded everyone's expectations. We currently have other major projects planned for 2012 utilising the team from Quest Engineering and have no hesitation in recommending them to anyone looking for a total turnkey OEM audio solution.
Driven by passionate and dedicated individuals, Quest has already proven itself as a leading provider of professional audio solutions. With a uniquely balanced approach to detail, research and development, manufacturing and OEM capabilities, Quest is here to stay, pushing the boundaries of innovation, practicality, reliability and value.